Excuse me, is there a newsagents near here?
Yes, there's one in Berry Street.
Where's that?
Go along this road and turn right, that's Berry Street. Go past the pub and the newsagent's on the right, opposite the supermarket.
So I go along this road and turn right, then I go past the pub and...
And the newsagent's on the right.
Opposite the supermarket. Oh, great. Thanks a lot.
No problem.
Excuse me?
Can I help you?
Yes, where's the post office?
The post office? It's over there, next to the cafe.
Ah, yes, I can see it. Thanks. Sorry, I'm on holiday here and I don't know my way around.
No problem. Bye.
Goodbye.
And have a nice holiday.
Thanks a lot.
Excuse me, how do we get to the market?
You go along this street and over the bridge, that's New Road, and the market's on your left.
So that's along this street.
Over the bridge and the market's on the left?
Yes, in New Road. You can't miss it.
How far is it?
Oh, it's not far, only about 5 minutes walk.
Great, thanks a lot. Right, let's go. Do you remember the way? I never listen when people give me directions.